2023 was fairly rubbish for many people, including Etsy, it seems. So it looks like it's on us to make 2024 the best year ever on Etsy, or at least better than it was. And to do that, it is good to have a plan. Doing the same old thing will not produce different results. That goes for me too. I decided to share a little of my strategy for what I plan to do in this here YouTube channel to help us all. And because it's the season, I even have a little gift for us all. Firstly, don't worry, I still have the old favourites here, especially the series like Etsy News, This Etsy Shop, and Steal These Etsy Keywords. I'll keep you updated with any new SEO strategies and hopefully the sneak peeks of new features on tools like eRank and Canva. But one thing I want to do very differently, it's been a little nerve-wracking for me, as I like to be sitting on the fence, helping you with a theory, but not telling you what to do. And in 2022, that will change. Don't worry, it's not a paid course, but step-by-step actionable steps that I will also be following to get my shop back up and running and help future-proof just in case Etsy becomes untenable. That's right, the actual steps we need to work on and when we need to work on them. So, hopefully, more focused use of all our time, not weeks of daily keyword research, checking back every hour to see if listings are working, but a really simple strategy. It's just 3 steps, really: research, plan, and execute, repeated every quarter across the year. Every month, I'll have some videos for the things we need to be doing that month. Now, I know everyone's shop is different and we're all at different stages, so the rules for this is an addition to what you're doing that's already working. Don't stop doing what's working. But a few hours every month can make a big difference. Changes take time and build slowly, so it's important to build from solid foundations and always have good reasons and plans for a change. And here's my Christmas gift to you, my first ever 6-month planner to get you off to a start, thinking about the things that will be coming up. I'll be focusing some of my videos around these steps, what actually to do with real actionable steps. The link to this planner is in the comments. It's a Canva affiliate link, but this doesn't get either of us anything. I just wanted the shorter link. Over the months, I'll be updating this based on the feedback from all of us. I hope you can join me and we can work together to have 2024 be a little better, even in the face of potentially difficult times. If you want to be able to more easily chat about how your shop is going, then join the Crafty Clan on Facebook, also in the comments, and sign up for my mailing list. Who knows, this year may even be the year I remember to use it, but I promise it won't be more than a couple of emails a month. Everyone have a great Christmas and New Year, and hopefully I'll see you back here refreshed, ready to crush it in 2024.